Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with the Y22 smartwatch. So this is by request. And of course, we granted the request for the demo for the Bluetooth call as well as the SMS notifications and app notifications. Okay, you ask for it, and we are here again to show you the process or the steps on how the Y22 smartwatch works with its call and message notifications. Okay, so if you have any questions, just drop the comment below and we'll answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so we have here the Y22 smartwatch and we already paired it with our support app. Okay, so it is using the Dafit app, as you can see here. Okay, so this is the support app available in Android and iOS platform. So a very good support app, stable so far, and we already paired it with our smartwatch. So if you want to receive message and call notifications or app notifications, just go to the notification section here, grant the permission, okay, grant the smartwatch or the app to have a permission to send call notifications as well as message notifications and the app notifications. So in our case, we activated the phone messages, that is for SMS, and we have the WhatsApp application here. Okay, so we are already ready here. So if you have any questions, just drop a comment below. Okay, so let's start with the sending of messages as well as the calls. Okay, so here, as you can see, we already activated our notification function here. Okay, the options here for sending notifications. Okay, we already grant the permissions, so let's send a message. Okay, so let's compose here. We already have here paired it with the smartphone, so let's try and pair it with this one. Okay, so let's try and send a message. Hello. Okay, my mistake. Hello, how are you? So this is SMS messaging. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so we already sent the message. Hopefully we can receive it here in our other smartphone. Okay, so we have the message. Okay, so we have here, hello, how are you? Okay, so we did not have the screen did not activate or did not notify here, but we do have the message. So let's try it again. Okay, there's some delayed, okay, in the messages, but so far it works. So far it works. Okay, so we did not have the, I don't know if we did receive. Okay, so far we did receive a message here, but the screen did not flash, okay, or did not activate. So let's try. Okay, do we have an option here? Seems like you don't have any options here for that. Phone on. Okay, so we'll try it again, or we'll try it later. Let's go first with the SMS or the WhatsApp application. Okay. So let's send a message to me, Nina. Hello, it's me. Okay. Okay, so we have here, hello, it's me. Okay, so far it works, and we do have an icon here for the WhatsApp message. Okay, so let's check if we can read the message here. So we have here, hello, it's me, checking for new message. So far it works. As you can see here, there's an icon for WhatsApp, there's an icon for SMS here. Okay, so let's clear it all. Okay, again, this is a test to see if it works. Okay, so it works. You can see here. Okay, so the screen activated. Okay, I guess you really have to set it in the smartwatch. Again, let's try it again. Try it again. Okay, we have some vibration, but okay, so it works. Okay, try it again. Okay, I guess you really have to activate here in the settings. This one. Okay, phone on to receive notifications. Okay, you can receive notifications, but the screen did not activate or did not turn on. Okay, and now we receive the message. So it works so far. Okay, so let's go with the call function here. Okay, let's try the call. So contacts we do have here. So let's call Nina phone 1. Okay. Okay, so we are receiving a call from John. Okay, so you have the option to deny it here or answer the call. Okay, okay, so far it works. What if we dial this number 09166? Okay, so let's try 09166135541. Okay, it's dialing. So we have a speaker here. So it's now dialing. Okay, my mistake. So let's change it. Okay, this one. Okay, we have a wrong number. 0969615839. Okay, let's check. See, as you can see here, our phone is dialing the number. Okay, let's wait. We have some problem with the network, but so far it works, as you can see here. Okay, so Bluetooth functionality here, it works. Call ended. Okay, how about here in the contact? Let's try it again. So it is dialing. So we just have a problem with the network, but so far it works here, as you can see. Okay, that's it. It's now calling. Okay, very loud speaker for the Y22 here. Okay, that's nice. Okay, we have call records here. We have contacts. So if you are wondering how did I have a how did I add the number here in the contacts, just go to your support app. Okay, go to your favorite contacts, then you can add the number here. Okay, just tap here on the plus sign and you can add the number that you want to be added here in the smartwatch. Okay, just then after that, just synchronize it. Okay, so far it works with the call records, dial pads, and the contact here. Okay, it also works with the notifications. Okay, as you can see here, we do have a message. Works with a application. It works with a SMS. Okay. Okay, so far everything works. Okay, so the call and the message function of the Y22 smartwatch is okay. We do have a loudspeaker. It's easy to navigate here, as well as we can add contacts here. There are also call records. Okay, so that's it for the Y22 smartwatch Bluetooth call, message, and app notifications. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, a premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.